So these tables are always testing us on being able to identify the right numbers to work with. So let's just focus on that heavily here. We see here that they give us a bunch of stuff we really don't need to know. If a person is chosen at random, this is where it really gets important, is chosen at random from those who recalled at least one dream. And if we look at our table here, we see that the dreams we have none. So this entire column here is useless, but this is good because they have 1 to 4. And then this is good, and this is good, and this is good. So really the numbers that we want to work with are all in these two, are these numbers. What is the probability that belong to group Y? So that means that they are this group right here. If you belong to group Y and they're still within having one dream or more, these are why we're caring about these two specific numbers. So that's going to be our numerator, which becomes 79. So what's our denominator going to be? Well, what is the probability they belong to group Y? It tells us that it's 79, but what we have highlighted in yellow, if a person at random from who recalled at least one dream, well, that's also group X here. All right, that's it's everyone. That's the qualifier for who's being considered, and all those values here together, their totals are thankfully down here. So we really want to add 39 and 125, which gives us 164. And then that gives us C here. So again, the reason that the denominator is 164 is because if they're chosen from those who recalled at least one dream. So that means whether you're an X or Y, you had one dream. They want to know of those that had at least one dream in X and Y, how many of those came from just potentially from Y.